Welcome to this immersive journey of astral projection using the rope method. I'm Jake from WakenJakeTV.com. As we embark on this voyage, it's crucial to know how to return safely from the astral plane. The easiest way is to think about your physical body, which will act as an anchor, pulling you back immediately. Alternatively, if you feel any discomfort, mentally call for assistance, and your spiritual guides will ensure your safe return. Or, to end the experience, you can imagine yourself following your rope back to your physical form. Now, let's commence our journey. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. This is very important. Lie down comfortably and peacefully. Close your eyes and take a few deep, calming breaths. Feel the cool air filling your lungs and then gently release it, letting go of all tension and stress. With each breath, envision your body becoming lighter, like a feather carried by the wind. As you exhale, imagine any negative energy or tension leaving your body. You start to feel serene, relaxed, and prepared for the voyage ahead. Now, visualize a rope hanging above you. This rope stretches upwards into the infinite cosmos, acting as a link between your physical form and the astral realm. Reach out with your astral arms and grasp this rope. Feel its texture, its vibrancy. It's sturdy and secure, ready to guide you on your astral journey. Begin to pull yourself up the rope. As you do so, feel your astral body starting to separate from your physical one. It's a gentle, serene sensation, like floating on a calm, crystal clear lake. Each pull elevates you higher and higher. Your connection to the physical realm gradually fades, but remember, you're safe. You can return at any moment. As you ascend, you might feel a slight tingling or humming sensation. This is normal and indicates that your astral body is fully separating from your physical form. Embrace this feeling of freedom as you leave the physical world behind. Now, you've entered the astral plane. Take a moment to acclimate. Look around. The astral plane is a realm of infinite impossibilities, a place where time and space have no meaning. Explore it. Learn from it. Remember to keep your thoughts positive. The astral plane resonates with your emotions and thoughts. Your experiences here will mirror the energy you radiate. Begin your exploration. You may choose to visit distant galaxies, ancient civilizations, or realms that defy earthly logic. Remember, your thoughts control your movement here. Think of a destination, and you'll travel there instantly. During your journey, you may encounter other astral beings. Approach them with positivity and openness. They may have wisdom to share. If you wish to communicate, do so through projection. It's the universal language here. When you're ready to return, simply think about your physical body. Feel the gentle tug of the rope as it guides you back. As you descend, you'll become aware of your physical senses again. Feel the weight of your body. Hear the sounds around you. Open your eyes. You're back, bringing with you the wisdom and experiences from the astral plane. Take a moment to absorb this experience, to remember the insights you've gained. Remember, astral projection is an art that requires practice and patience. Don't be disheartened if you don't achieve it on your first attempt. Keep practicing, and soon you'll master the ability to navigate the astral plane freely and safely.